How to start a journal and the benefits of journaling for success in your life. To begin on your journaling adventure, you will first need to choose your journal format and style, so let's consider some of these options. There are many different ways to journal, so choose a format that feels comfortable and natural to you. Some people prefer to write long-form entries in a physical notebook, while others prefer to use a digital app or platform. You could also try other creative formats such as art journaling or audio journaling, or even making videos or vlogs depending on your preferences. If you're going for a traditional notebook style of journal, pick yourself a pretty nice looking one that resonates with you, one that you will enjoy using on a day-to-day basis, and a nice pen too. Make journaling a regular part of your routine by setting aside a specific time each day or week to write. This could be first thing in the morning, before bed, or during your lunch break. Consistency is key to forming a habit, so stick to your chosen schedule as much as possible. If you're struggling with what to write about, start with a prompt. This could be a question to ponder, a list of things you're grateful for, or a reflection on a recent experience. Working on prompts can help you focus your thoughts and get the creative juices flowing. Write freely and honestly. Don't worry about spelling, grammar, or making your writing perfect. The goal of journaling is to express your thoughts and feelings, so be yourself. Be kind to yourself and allow yourself to be vulnerable in your writing. Reflect on your writing. After you've written for a while, take some time to reflect on what you've written. What themes or patterns emerge? What insights have you gained about yourself? Reflecting on your writing can help you identify areas for growth and set intentions for the future. Find a quiet space to journal. Choose a quiet and comfortable space where you won't be interrupted or distracted. This can help you focus and get into a reflective mindset. Don't judge yourself harshly. Remember that your journal is a safe space to explore your thoughts and feelings without judgment. Don't worry about whether your writing is good or bad, and don't worry about what others might think if they were to read it. It is for you alone, not others. Journaling is a practice, and like any practice, it takes time and dedication to see results. Keep up your journaling practice even when you don't feel like it, and be patient with yourself. Over time, you'll develop a deeper understanding of yourself and your world through writing. Celebrate your progress. As you journal more regularly, take some time to celebrate your progress and acknowledge the insight and growth you've experienced. This can help you stay motivated and commit to your journaling practice. Journaling can be a powerful tool for personal growth and self-reflection. By choosing the correct format that works for you, setting aside dedicated time, starting with a prompt, writing freely and honestly, whilst reflecting on your writing and keeping it up, you can develop a habit that will service you well in all areas of your life. Journaling can be a valuable addition to your self-care routine and is a powerful tool for enhancing creativity. By encouraging new ideas, improving self-expression and self-reflection, and encouraging experimentation and boosting confidence, journaling can help you unlock your creative potential and take your writing to the next level. Now let's take a look at some of the additional benefits of journaling. Journaling has numerous benefits for your mental, emotional, and even physical well-being. Let's explore some of the benefits. Starting a regular journaling practice can help you become more self-aware by allowing you to reflect on your thoughts, feelings, and behaviors. This can help you identify patterns that might be impacting your mental health and well-being. Journaling can help boost creativity by allowing you to experiment with different writing styles and techniques. Journaling can help spark new ideas by encouraging you to explore different perspectives, experiment with new writing techniques, and engage with your inner thoughts and feelings. By allowing yourself to write freely without judgment or limitation, you may be able to generate fresh and innovative ideas. Support growth and development. By reflecting on your experiences and insights, journaling can help you identify areas for growth and set goals for personal development. This can help you make positive changes in your life whilst working on your dreams and aspirations. Journaling improves self-expression and reflection. By journaling regularly, you may find that you become more comfortable expressing yourself in writing. This can help you communicate your ideas and insights more effectively, which can enhance your creative writing skills. Journaling allows you to reflect on your experiences, thoughts, and emotions. This process of self-reflection can help you to better understand your values, beliefs, and creative vision. By identifying your personal style and preferences, you can better tailor your creative work to reflect your unique voice and perspective. Writing about your feelings can help reduce stress and anxiety by providing an outlet for your emotions. By putting your thoughts and feelings on paper, you will be able to process them more effectively and feel more relaxed and calm. Journaling can help you break down barriers and encourage experimentation. By trying out new writing styles, structure, and techniques, you can push beyond your creative comfort zone and explore new forms of expression. Writing about a problem or challenge you're facing can help you clarify your thoughts and come up with potential solutions. In this sense, journaling enhances problem-solving skills. By exploring different perspectives, writing in your journal may help you be able to find a solution to a problem that is bothering you. Journaling improves physical health. Journaling has been shown to have physical health benefits as well. For example, it can help reduce inflammation, boost immune function, and improve sleep quality. This is because getting your problems off your chest in the form of journaling, which can help reduce stress and anxiety, and as a result, boost your overall health. It can increase your self-awareness. Journaling can help you become more self-aware by allowing you to reflect on your thoughts, feelings, and behaviors. This can help you identify patterns and triggers that might be impacting your mental health and well-being. Boosts confidence. Regular journaling can help you boost your confidence as a writer. By giving yourself permission to write imperfectly, you can build your writing skills and gain confidence in your abilities. This can help you take more creative risks and pursue more ambitious writing projects. Journaling can also be a great idea for recording all of your short-term and long-term goals, dreams, and aspirations. For example, what do you see yourself accomplishing by the end of the year? Write down the answer. Also, what do you see yourself accomplishing in 5 years' time? And what is your plan to achieve this? Write this down in your journal, and also the process or plan of action that you will be taking to achieve it. The pen-to-paper action of writing out your future goals will help you work out any obstacles in the way, and will also put the law of attraction in your favor of accomplishing your dreams, and adding the timestamp of 5 years to achieve it is an added benefit to hold yourself accountable. Thank you for watching my YouTube video. I hope you found some interesting points that will work for you, and if you found this helpful, please consider giving me a like, as that will really help me out, and subscribe for more content.